Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So finally the round one choice filling schedule and complete details are out now, which I am covering here. So this is the details. So if you see, the choice filling mock round is closing today 13 July at 4 p.m. and the mock round allotment results are going to be out tomorrow, which is 14th July after 4 p.m. And after that you can again do editing of choice filling of the round one, which will start from 4 p.m. 14 July to 16 July. So approximately 1.5 to 2 days are given for editing, and then the final round one allotment results will happen on 17th July after 4 p.m. Correct. So between 17th July and 21st July you can do check your allotment result and do decision making. One of the four choices like accept and freeze, accept and upgrade, reject and upgrade, and last one basically exit the counseling. So in first three allotments you have to pay the fees, right, to go to the next round of counseling. So fees payment has to be completed by 21st of July 4 p.m. and then reporting to the college between 17 July to 22nd July. That means one more day is given, but this reporting to college is only for the students who are doing accept and freeze. Only accept and freeze students can report to college. And the last activity in this phase is also round one seat cancellation. So if you decide to cancel the seat, you have to cancel your seat between 17 July to 22nd July, and once you cancel the seat you will not be able to further participate in the next round of counseling. So those are the counseling details currently available for the round one counseling. And anybody,
so if any student or parents are looking for getting the right guidance for selecting the right college, right course based on their preferences, so if you want to avail this personalized counseling services, basically choice filling order and will be provided, as well as 30 up to 30 minutes you can talk, basically connect with phone and WhatsApp this number. So to